All right, welcome to the channel. This is my 24 Road Glide that I posted a video earlier in the past. So just a couple of things, what I just currently did. As you see, the chrome works and the Öhlins rear suspension I installed from the last video. I installed the wedge air cleaner, Screaming Eagle. And I was trying to install the Screaming Eagle tuner that is programmable via your phone. But this port right here, it is not communicating with the port. It's not the Screaming Eagle tuner. Took it to the dealer. They found that the actual port itself isn't functioning for some reason. So I would have to be taking it back there at a later time so they could diagnose to see if there's a cut wire or if there's some type of programming that was not done at the manufacturer somehow. But that's currently where I'm at right now. I'll keep you guys updated with the Screaming Eagle tuner as soon as I get it straightened out.